Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna teach you a very interesting and important topic of dental material, that is zinc oxide eugenol cement. So first of all, we'll deal with the introduction part. So it was invented in 1890, and when zinc oxide is mixed with eugenol, it makes a very hard mass. Now it has a low strength, so it is least irritating, and it has obtundant and or sedative effect on the pulp. So these two, something most important to know, that is zinc oxide about zinc oxide eugenol cement, that is it is least irritating and it has a sedative effect on the pulp. So it's been highly using among the dentistry. So its varying uses. First of all, it can be used as a luting cement, it can be used as cementing, it can be used as bases, it can be used as RC sealant, or it can also be used as PDL dressing. Now the classification. The first classification is according to ISO 3107/2004. So in this classification there are 4 types of ZOE. First one is type 1 ZOE, temporary cementation. So there are 2 subclass of type 1 ZOE, that is first class 1 is known as setting cement and class 2 is known as a non-setting cement. Now type 2 ZOE is known as permanent cementation, and type 3 ZOE is known as bases and temporary restoration. Now type 4 ZOE is cavity liner. Now mode of supply. So there are 2 modes of supply. The first one is powder and liquid in separate bottles, means there are 2 bottles, one for powder and one for liquid, and there are 2 paste system. Okay. Now the composition, first of all the powder, the composition of powder, zinc oxide is used in the amount of 69%, and it is the principal ingredient. Now the white rosin 29.3%, it reduces brittleness. Okay. Now the zinc stearate, so it is used in the amount of 0.7%, and it is used in accelerator. So it can also be taken in mind that as for acetate and as for accelerator. Okay. Now magnesium oxide is added in some eugenol in similar manner as zinc oxide. Okay. Now the liquid content. Now liquid content, the eugenol is used in the amount of 85%, and it reacts with ZNO. Okay. Now the olive oil is used in the amount of 15%, and it is used as a plasticizer. Now setting reaction, the step 1 is known as hydrolysis, and why it is known as hydrolysis, because in this reaction zinc oxide is mixed with water to form zinc hydroxide. Now the step 2, this zinc hydroxide acts as base, and it is then react with an acid and forms a chelate, that is ZnE2 plus water. So this chelate is an amorphous gel, and it crystallizes and imparts strength to the set mass. Okay. Now the setting time is 4 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now the factors affecting setting time, the first one is manufacture, how it is manufacturing. So that the most active zinc oxide powders are zinc salts like zinc hydroxide and zinc carbonate. Okay, by heating at 3000 degrees Celsius. So these are the most active and the fast setting salts. Okay. Now the particle size. So smaller the zinc oxide particles set faster. Now the accelerators like alcohol, acetic acid, water, they increase the setting reaction. Now the heat cooling the glass slab slows the reaction. If we cool the glass slab, will slow the reaction. If we heat it fast, then it will be a fast setting cement. Now the retardants, they slow the setting. Okay, like okay. Now the P by L ratio, powder to liquid ratio, higher the ratio, faster the set. Okay. So we will I'll meet you in the next lecture, and there we will discuss all the different properties, manipulation, then the modified zinc oxide eugenol cement, and so many more things. So I hope you all come between the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye, take care.